Hi, it's Nicholas. Welcome to my affiliate marketing info channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a new product called VidEngine. VidEngine will be launched on today very soon. It's on Monday, 26th of July, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So what is this product? It's called VidEngine. VidEngine is a software, is a marketing software that you can download from different channels, such as other than the most important, the most popular video platform is YouTube, and you can see the video on YouTube. Other than this, video is also very popular in this recently in this day in different social media platforms such as Facebook Live, Instagram Story, Instagram TV, and also the different social media platform and also using a video because video is eye-catching and also to attract their visitor stay on their social media platform. So this is also a very powerful way if you want to use video. And this software is all-in-one video marketing and automation technology. You don't have to pay any monthly register for one-time payment. You will simply to grab and from different social media platform video, and also you can download and you can also to use it as to share with different social media platform, and you can also to search different image just for enter your keyword. After that, you can also have a different image you can download, and then you can use this as or you can I highly recommend you should also use it to different way to customize in your own work in different way in more unique and eye-catching, and then you will upload to different social media platform. There's also you can have more eye-catching and video to catch your potential customer. So if there is something you're interested in, please also to stay with me. I will be waiting to you and what inside in the members area, and also I will wait to you what are the price and upsell as well. And the most important part is I also included some more exclusive bonus if you pick up this VidEngine through my link. So this is also first of all, please also to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to turn on the notification bell. And if you enjoy my video, don't forget to smash the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. So let's jump. Before I jump, so I also like to jump into my bonus pay when you pick up this offer, VidEngine. When you pick up every engine, you will get 9 bonus. Bonus WordPress web plugin is also YouTube engager. This also will help you to help you to build your email list from your blog, the money in your list. Bonus number 2, I will give you a video course on YouTube ranking high LinkedIn page. Discover how you can rank your video high on YouTube, implementing a few LinkedIn. It's also completely free, and also you can get more organic traffic from YouTube. Bonus number 3, I will give you a video course on YouTube video editing course. Learn how you can utilize your YouTube video editor to edit, twist, and optimize your video from high-converting video marketing campaign. Bonus number 4, I will give you a set of 10 YouTube cover photo on different guests and niches. Bonus number 5, I will give you a free video training course that is also decided by a 7-figure internet marketer. It's the over 10 years experience affiliate marketing, make money online niche, email marketing, and the best part is they have an exclusive bonus. So I highly recommend you should sign up for his video and internet marketing course. There's also you have a chance to get into and attend his live weekly live training course. You will learn much more about his experience about affiliate marketing, email marketing, and also you will giving away so much free stuff that will help you to make more money order. So I highly recommend you grab this fun and bonus number 5, you should grab this my free video training course. Bonus number 6, I will give you a Pinterest make marketing made easy. How you can scale up your online business with Pinterest. Bonus number 7, find the course code LinkedIn for business. Bonus number 8, fan page secret. bonus number 6 9 video marketing secret. If you just pick up the front end, you will get my 9 exclusive bonus. But this is also about upsell and downsell. If you pick up any upsell and downsell, you will get my 11 OTO bonus. The 11 OTO bonus, the last bonus is exclusive bonus for vendor. I will be, please stay with me. OTO bonus number 1, iGram machine. This is also the software that you can grab your and put your Instagram account on autopilot from like, comments, and also you can attract more followers. OTO bonus number 2, Pinterest traffic automator. Automated pin changes from your website to your Pinterest. You will get free organic traffic from Pinterest. Pinterest is a buyer traffic platform. OTO bonus 3, Facebook photo concept. This also will help you can capture the user view Facebook email. It's also you can also to capture their email address, and you can also to input your email marketing software. Something like my autoresponder. This is also your on into autoresponder like Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, SendLink, something like that. You can also to build your email list. There's also to build the email address. OTO bonus 4, I will give you article submitter. It's also the fast, speed, and easy way to get your article. Post on hundreds of the articles directly automatically. OTO bonus 5, I will give you over 99 and the PR article for your blog post. OTO bonus 6, I will give you 25 100 email sponsor for your email marketing. OTO bonus number 7, puzzle box profit. 呢度係咪 9 video will teach you how you can post topics low content in your Amazon on Amazon. This also will help you to make extra money as a side hustle. OTO bonus 8, exclusive bonus package 5 parts. Part 1, video free training course. Part 2, free marketing software. Part 3, free report. You can Part 5, freebie you can download. Part 5 is also the free workshop you can visit all the workshop. And over the 10 workshops, you can pick up anyone to suitable for you. All the workshops will help you to make more money online. OTO bonus 9, blogging for profit. How discover how you can create profitable blog. OTO bonus 10, 30 days to bigger emails. They ask you the actionable target. How you can pick an email list in 30 days. The last bonus is also vendor bonus. OTO bonus and hop switch front end reseller license. Voice method front end with license and access. Auto trip front end license reseller license access. budget reseller license and text view and studio premium mail with email marketing application just for the 1, 2, 3, 4, you will get a reseller right or different get product. What is the reseller? That's also you can have a license to resell this product and also you can keep 100% commission. This is also the thing is also a very high converting software you can resell it and keep 100% commission. And the best part is 1, 2, 3 and you will get his front end and also 5 to 6 you will have a different application you can also email marketing application, mail with and also you will get all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the warrior before the countdown timer hits 0. Simply click the link below in the description. The first link will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, you practice any blue button and you will redirect to the sales page of the VidEngine where you press and button and this blue button and buy this VidEngine through my link and all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the warrior before the countdown timer hits 0. When you purchase it, you will have the purchase detail and you can see the little button blue button and you can access all my exclusive bonus. If you pick up any upsell and downsell and you will get my 11 OTO bonus. 11 OTO bonus. Don't forget you will get my exclusive bonus from vendor just for the 4 and chain as very amazing software. You can have a resell license while as also you can resell this software as your own and keep 100% commission no matter it's front end, downsell and upsell and downsell as well. So I will also jump into the membership area. Before I jump into my membership area, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smack the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. So let's jump into the main area of VidEngine. In the VidEngine, it is also a very clean and easy for you to understand. The first of all is going to instant the video downloader, and you can also to see that, and you can Instagram and as you can a video YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, time video, Instagram, and much more. After you place your video, you can also to download. You can also to use this as an example, and you copy the link, and then you can also to turn in, and you can also to turn in into also you can and download, and you can also to share the different platforms, Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp, Pinterest, Tumblr, Webin, and also you can also to use the QR code, and also if a different spreader you can also to download MP4 and different MP4. And the next section is about the short URL. If you want to click banner, you want to shorten your long and ugly URL, you can use it. Image downloader, and you can also to tap into just for yoga, search. You can have different image. You can also to use for the download, image to video. You can search, you can import, upload, and you can simply search, and also use yoga, select the provider, and you can Pinterest keyword, different interest, Pinterest, Instagram hashtag, and also I just want to Pinterest image. Also, how many image you want to 10, 11, 12, 30, and also up to the 500, just for 5. And you can also to see from Pinterest different. You can also to turn it into video. And the next part is also after you create your video, you can also to have the list of your output video. You can also to see your video MP4 size. You can duplicate. Also you can delete. And you can also access your bonus video what is the training, and also have the upgrade. But I will reveal to you what are the upgrade and sell, and also the price, support, and log out. That's also what you will get. If you want to know have a demo video, I also included the demo video for if you are interested in how you can see that, and you can see the demo video. Just and let you to see this. Also the very short, let you to see how does it work. Okay, this is also a very short demo video. This is also to walk you through how the secret of the video VidEngine. So let's jump into what the price and upsell as well. Just for $70, if you have exit 啦，其實我哋嘅 pop up you will get a $4嘅 discount 咧 ，you will have a $12咧 just for this product 啦。Unlimited 啦 ，upsell unlimited 啦 ，$37 $27 also I highly recommend you should grab the unlimited because the front end may have some limitation 啦。The upsell number one is unlimited 啦 ，everything is unlimited 啦。Unlimited video download 啦 ，creator 啦 ，access 啦 ，millions of soft video 啦。video 嘅stock video 嘅 image and video 嘅 download 啦 ，and also have a image editor 啦、training 啦、software 嘅 video 啦。It's also highly recommend you can at least grab the upsell number one unlimited 啦。Done for you $197 $97. There's also you have a done for you 嘅 package you can have 啦。There's also very awesome 用嘅drag and drop 嘅 landing page 啦、builder 啦、instant builder 啦、high converting 嘅 lead capture pages. It also to get your more list 啦。There's also to build your email list 啦。Put your affiliate promo ready to use the bonus page 啦。There's also you can have the bonus page increase your sales conversion 啦。And also auto response integration 啦。And also you can use this software to build your email list 100% optimized 嘅 blog 啦 ，with premium 嘅 review free 啦 ，premium 嘅 WordPress with Rocky 嘅 installation 啦 ，fully branded 嘅 social media account 啦 ，and done for you 嘅 campaign 嘅 material 啦。It's also the different much more 嘅 everything is done for you 啦 ，just for one time offer 啦$97啦 ，upsell number 3啦 ，Pro 啦$37 $27嘅 ，you will get my maximum 嘅 audio 啦 with power of flash 嘅 and video visual content 啊，or YouTube automation 嘅get traffic 啦 ，1 click 啦，100嘅 more 嘅 traffic source 啦 ，millions of stock 嘅 image 啦 ，it's also just for $27啦。But in my opinion, I highly recommend you should grab the upsell number one. Everything is unlimited. If you want to, everything is done for you. The package you can grab the $97嘅 upsell. For Pro, it's also up to you because it's not very expensive. You can also up to you. Upsell number 4 exclusive $97 $67. You will get done for you funnel integration or auto response approval 嘅 and approval 嘅 affiliate product step by step 嘅 funnel training and support 啦。Option number 5 resell 啦 $37 $27 and you can sell this product as your own and keep 100% commission 啦。But in my opinion, I highly recommend you should grab the upsell number 1 啦。And done for you package if you want to done for you package is also $37 and $97 and the best part is also you can get my 11 OTO bonus included the vendor 嘅bonus included 4嘅software 啦。License resell 啦 ，license wide 咧 ，that is also you can sell 4嘅 different 嘅 software 啦 ，keep 100% commission. That is also included front end downsell and upsell and downsell 啦。In my opinion, you can grab the upsell and 1 and 2 啦 ，they also come with downsell 啦。And also you can grab the upsell just for front end. You will get my 9 exclusive bonus 啦。But if you pick up any upsell and downsell, you will get my 11 OTO bonus included exclusive bonus from vendor 啦。Exclusive bonus from vendor 啦 ，4 of them you can resell 啦 ，license wide 啦 ，you can keep 100% commission 啦。And all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the wallpaper. Simply click the link below in the description. The first thing they will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, when you press any blue button and go redirect to the sales page, when you close down, you can buy this any blue button, yellow button and buy this through my link to purchase this VidEngine. You will get all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the wallpaper before the countdown timer hit 0. When you purchase the yellow button and purchase detail and you can see the yellow blue button you will get instant access to all my exclusive bonus. If you pick up any upsell, if you pick up upsell number 1 and upsell number 2 done for and unlimited and done for you package, you will also get 11 OTO bonus included and vendor exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the wallpaper. Thanks for taking time to check out my VidEngine review and bonus. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smack the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. And also the reminder to you don't forget to check my description below to grab my exclusive bonus and exclusive freebie. And so don't forget to check my description to grab your freebie. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.